Selecting the best vinyl wrap toolkit depends on your specific needs and budget. A good vinyl wrap toolkit typically includes a variety of tools and accessories that are essential for properly applying vinyl wraps to vehicles or other surfaces. Here are a list of top vinyl wrap toolkit available in the market.
Put your tools in the waste bag and then wear it to free your hands. Use pink hard cord to pry up the hold film and then peel it off. Use plastic razor blade to remove glue residue. Wrap the trapezoidal squeegee with towel. Use it to clean the body crevices. Hold the film on the car body with magnet holder. Use vinyl cutter to cut the film into suitable size and shape, not leaving any scratch. Rip off the protection paper of the film. Moderate hardness felt squeegee is suitable for vinyl installation on any surface. Magnet suede and wool felt squeegee can be attached on the car body. Free your hands and make work more efficiently. Soft wool felt squeegee can be used on curved surfaces. Sharp cutter knife make your work easier. 10 pieces replacement blade is cost-effective. Use heat gun to soften the film and then use mini blue card to tuck the film inside crevices. Use gray and yellow triangle card to tuck the film inside body crevices. Hard black micro squeegee can stick the film into a narrow place which is difficult to reach. Medium soft micro squeegee tuck the film inside the car crevices easily. Soft blue macro squeegee flexible and durable, perfect for professional vinyl wrap installation. Use any tucker to work on body lines and narrow areas to make vinyl film fit the body better. Zench Professional Two-Waist Bag, your best choice for vinyl wrapping. Waist bag and then wear it to free your hands. Use plastic razor scraper to remove glue residue with glue remover. Wrap the triangle squeegee with towel. Use it to clean the body crevices. Hold the film on the car body with magnet holder. Use snitty cutter to cut the film into suitable size and shape, not leaving any scratch. Use safety cutter to cut the film safely without scratching the film. Rip off the protection paper of the film. Moderate hardness felt squeegee is suitable for vinyl installation on any surface, not hurting the film. Magnet suede and wool felt squeegee can be attached on the car body. They are perfect for removing bubbles and make the film fit the car body better. Thick felt squeegee can protect your film from scratching. Soft wool felt squeegee can be used on curved surfaces. Sharp cutter knife make your work easier. 10 pieces replacement blade is cost-effective. Use hobby knife to trim the film. 3 hardness triangle squeegee, hard green, medium soft white, and soft pink. They can meet the operational requirements of different parts. Perfect for tucking the film inside crevices. 7-in-1 magnetic micro squeegee improve work efficiency. You cannot etch them on the car with the magnetic design. Free your hands and make work more efficiently. Different color designs make your identification and selection easier. Sort in terminal shapes designs, face for more corners. This small squeegee enables you to apply film in narrow curves. A good choice for applying the vinyl wrap when dealing with curves, contours, and edges. Pin pen is perfect for removing small bubbles. Reava Professional Two-Waist Bag, your best choice for